In February 2022, we got to tour the 3-bedroom grand villa at the Riviera. This is the ensuite bathroom for the main bedroom. The bath is one of these champagne bubbles bath. Got 2 sinks, a separate toilet and a huge walk-in shower. The main bedroom sleeps 2, has some really good views with a really nice balcony. Love the view to the Skyliner and across the lake. Got a great view of Caribbean Beach as well. This is the dining area, which is an open plan area along with the living room and the huge kitchen. The kitchen has a huge island, also has the standard oven, fridge freezer, microwave and normally dishwasher. Another bedroom which has 2 double beds. Again, some great views out over the lake. This also has access to one of the balconies. Directly across from that bedroom, there is a small bathroom with an over bath shower. Continuing down the hallway, there's another double bedroom. There's another ensuite bathroom here with a walk-in shower and a separate toilet. 2 double beds again, and a lovely balcony as well. Each of the bedrooms have a TV, along with the living room as well.